Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to put an image in a shape. For example, I will create new file and we create for simple shape. I will use this ellipse tools like this. And now you can set for the fills, like I will set into black, and then for the stroke we set into none. Now you can insert image into this document. You can click file, go to place embed, and then I will use this example image, and then you can resize the image, make it fit in your shape. You also can set for the opacity. Okay, we reduce the opacity. I will move into here like this. And then if you want to put this image into this shape, you can right click on the image and then you can choose create clipping mask. So it will be automatically insert this shape object. You also can set again the opacity into 100. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to put an image in a shape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.